Alright boys, in the next video, this is the next video of GBP CAD. Let's see the prediction of the GBP CAD. Are we in a profit? Are we in a loss? Have I take this trade? No, I haven't took this trade. But what I have predicted has happened to the perfection. I wanted this candle, daily candle, to close on the area of interest, which haven't closed on the area of interest, which has candles, daily candlestick weak into the area of interest. But for us came and beautifully shifted, man. Look at this, like beautiful. Then we'll wait for the retracement. Once the retracement is done, I will wait for the shift of structure of the 30 minute. Bam, this was the beautiful trade. Like over here we could easily take this trade, and pretty much the risk reward ratio will not make sense, but the trade was there. I mean, whatever I have predicted has happened to the perfection right here. Look at this. Have I took this trade? Of course not, because I have already took this trade on, already have maxed out my one trade per week rule on USD CAD, and I have beautifully done the loss. So now it is what it is. I can't take the trade more. So now we'll look into, in the next video we'll be looking into of Euro USD prediction. Thus, have I done the loss?